So good morning, students. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about the next grammar part, that is if not and unless. If not and unless, these are the conditionals, first conditionals. So what we are doing, let's begin this. Before going to that, let's understand what is unless and what is if not. Unless means except if. Except means if something happened, until something happen, that result won't happen, like that. See here, unless means except if, or simply it means if not. So what we have to understand here, if not and unless both are same. But you read this, let me tell you later why, what is that, right? Read the following sentences. You must finish the job in time, otherwise you will be in trouble. You must finish the job in time, otherwise you will be in trouble. Both the sentences are different, right? How can we join or add both the sentences together? See, these two sentences can be joined using if or unless. Note that unless means if not, and hence it would be wrong to use another not in clause with unless. So when we use if not, we can use another not in the sentence, no problem. When we use unless, we are not supposed to use not in the first phrase. See, we will be having two clauses, first clause and second clause, and we will join them. So in the first clause, if you use if not, no, in the next clause you can use not, or without not, no problem. When you use unless, in that particular clause you are not supposed to use not, right? You are not supposed to use not. Then you can use not in the next clause, right? So let's see that. If you do not finish the job in time, you will be in trouble. Yes, what I told you, you can use not both the side, but here not required, that's why I did not use not. Then unless you finish the job in time, you will be in trouble. So when I used unless, I did not use not in the first clause. So you can see here we have two clauses. If you do not finish the job in time, first clause, you will be in trouble, second clause. So then here, you unless you finish the job in time, that is first clause, you will be in trouble, that is second clause. First, when you use unless in that clause, you are not supposed to use not. Clear? Then let's see some textbook examples. Imagine that Margie's mother told her, if you will feel if you will feel awful if you do not finish, sorry, you will feel awful if you do not finish your history lesson. So what is happening here? If you do not finish your history lesson, you will feel awful also, same as this one. She could also say, you will feel awful unless you finish your history lessons. Both sentences are giving same meaning. So let me tell you the structure. In the first, when you use where you use if not and unless, that clause must be in present tense, and the remaining or the next clause should be in future tense. You can see here, you will feel awful if you do not finish your history lesson. You will feel awful, it is future tense. If you do not finish your history lesson, that is present tense. So we use if not, and here we use if not and unless to show a present action. If we do not do that action at present, the consequence will be in the future. To express such things, we use unless and if not here. So you will feel awful unless you finish your history lesson. I can write in a different way. Unless you finish your history lesson, you will feel awful. That can be also written. Then let's go to the next one. If he doesn't work hard, he will not pass. Yes, at first clause not is there, in the next clause will is there, right? We are talking about when we use not in the first clause, we have to use if. In the next, that should be in next clause should be in future tense, right? Unless he works hard. So here we have used unless. That's what we are not using, not. Unless he works hard, he will not pass. Then if you reveal the secrets your friends, you will not, friends will not trust you. If you reveal secrets, your friends will not trust you. Unless you keep secrets, your friends will not trust you. Same. Okay, so textbook activities here. If I don't go to Anu's party tonight, she will be angry. See, you cannot write there she angry, she is going to angry and all. So what you have to write, she will be angry. That should be in future tense. If you do not telephone or call the hotel to order food, you will miss your evening meal. So what you are observing here, first clause where you use if or unless, they are in present tense. The next clause in future tense, right? Unless you promise to work back, I will not write to you, right? If she doesn't play any games, she will become lazy and unfit, right? Unless that little bird flies away quickly, the cat will pounce on it, right? This is what today's here we have discussed about unless and until, the usage of it, right? So let me recapitulate what we have discussed. So if not and unless both are same. When we use if not, the next, that should be, that sentence should be in present tense, then the next clause should be in future tense. Clear? When you use unless, what should not be there? In the particular same where we use unless, there not should be there. Next, in next clause, not may come, may not come, right? I hope you are clear with this. I just want you to write this in your fair book. Yes, thank you for watching this video.